In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an outlined text effect in Google Slides. This effect can add a polished and creative touch to your presentations, making your text stand out. There are two main methods to achieve this effect, using shapes or utilizing word art. Let's dive into the shape method first. To get started, you'll want to insert a shape onto your slide. This shape will eventually serve as the outline for your text. You can do this by navigating to the top menu and selecting Insert, then Shape. Choose a shape that suits your design. Something like a rectangle or an oval often works well for text outlines. Once you've chosen, click to place it on your slide. Next, you'll need to customize this shape to best serve your needs. First, let's adjust the fill color of the shape. Click on the shape to select it, then head over to the Format menu. Here, you'll find the Fill Color option. Click it and choose Transparent. This step ensures that the shape's fill is invisible, allowing your text to be the focal point. With the fill adjusted, it's time to set the outline or border of your shape. Again, make sure your shape is selected. Then go back to the Format menu. Click on Border Color and pick a color that complements your presentation design. This is where you get to exercise your creative judgment and choose a color that pops. Now, for the outline to truly stand out, you'll want to tweak its thickness. With your shape still selected, find the Border Weight option under the Format menu. Here, you can increase the thickness of your outline as much as you like, depending on how bold you want the effect to appear. Once your outline is styled the way you want, it's time to position it on your slide. Simply click on the shape and drag it to the desired location. Make sure the shape is positioned behind any text that you want to be outlined, which will help create the effect seamlessly. The next step involves adding your text. You can do this by inserting a text box atop your shape or using word art for a different flair. If you choose a text box, make sure it's sitting right over the shape and align it carefully. Lastly, fine-tune both the size and the position of the shape and text box. Adjust them as needed until you achieve the exact effect you're aiming for. Small tweaks can make a big difference in achieving a clean and professional look. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an outlined text effect using shapes. This technique can be a striking way to highlight important information or add a visual layer to your slides. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!